Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. My name's Ashley and I'm going to be collaborating with them on this video today. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, feel free to go down below and hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you're notified every time they upload, and please like this video if you do enjoy it. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Christmassy evening pamper routine. So to start off, I'm going to get in my Christmassy pajamas. These are so comfortable and essential for a Christmas evening routine. And then I'm going to light all of my candles just so it's super cozy, and I really feel like candles help to relax me. And then once I've lit all my candles, of course I'm going to turn the lights on my Christmas tree. I'm so excited to finally have my Christmas tree up. I just love how it makes the room look. It's just so cozy and of course super Christmassy. And then once I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and start making tonight's dinner. So I really fancied a salmon stir fry, so that's what I'm going to have. Super easy, super healthy, and it's just so yummy. And then of course after dinner comes the boring job of tidying up, so I'm just gonna have a quick spruce around the kitchen just so then I know it's done and I can get on with the rest of my evening and really chill out. And then of course, essential to any evening routine, I'm making myself a hot chocolate. I personally make mine with all milk. I just think it's creamier and nicer. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to get on with wrapping some presents around the Christmas tree. I'm trying to do all of my presents as I go this year because normally I'm a Christmas Eve type of person. So trying to be a little bit more organised this year.
Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times.
And then my favourite part about wrapping the Christmas presents early, I can put them under the tree. It makes it look so much more Christmassy, and I'm just so excited for Christmas this year.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to?
Then once I've wrapped my presents around the tree, I'm going to start doing my skincare. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is my favourite. I use this as like almost a pre-cleanse, just so I know most of my makeup's already off of my face.
Our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
And then once I've already taken the majority of my makeup off, I will go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is absolutely gorgeous. It literally just melts all the makeup off your face. Highly recommend this. It's not too heavily scented either, which I love.
My house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me.
So once I've used the cleansing balm on my skin, I then take one of these Wipe Out microfiber cleansing cloths. These are amazing on your skin. They feel so soft.
In all the melodies in
Then I'm going in with the Pixi Vitamin C Tonic. This is a brightening toner. Really recommend this again. It is so lovely. It just makes your skin look really bright and like luminous, which I love.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this
Okay, next up, probably my favourite step of my whole evening routine, that is a hot bubble bath. I absolutely love baths. So I'm going to be using the Sanctuary Sleep Drift Off Bath Soak. This is lovely. It just feels so luxurious and it makes the bath really bubbly, which I like. I don't know why. I just like loads of bubbles.
oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
Then I'm going to wash my hair. So I actually use the Olaplex No. 4 and No. 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. It's a really thick product, so you don't need loads of it, and it just makes your hair feel so lovely. I've heard over time that this is great for repairing your hair as well.
Care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
would a pamper evening routine be without a face mask? So I'm going in with the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Mask. This is lovely. It just makes your skin like really luminous after, and it's also a firming treatment, and it just peels off as well, which I prefer. It's easier and less messy.
Hey, by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how?
Once I'm out of the bath, I just let my hair towel dry for a little while, and then I'll go in with my wet brush and brush it all out. And then I will add in my Olaplex bonding oil. This again makes your hair feel so lovely. It smells amazing. Just leaves your hair feeling really nice and soft.
Underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
So once I'm done with all of my pamper treatments, I'm just going to set up again on the sofa and back in my Christmas pajamas, super cozy, and I'm going to find a nice Christmas film to watch.
On its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do.
I settled on watching The Holiday. I absolutely love this film. It's one of my all-time favourite Christmas movies. It's one that I normally watch earlier on in December, and who doesn't love Cameron Diaz? So yeah, I'm just going to sit here, watch this, and have some chill out time.
Moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
Okay, I actually look like I've fallen asleep here. I'm that comfy, but I promise you I was not. So once the film is finished, I'm going to get up and start turning all of the lights off, the Christmas tree lights, the TV. And then I'm just going to make my way into the bedroom where I undress my bed, put my lamp on, and just chill out in bed for a little bit.
But the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happy.
So before going to sleep, I always have a little scroll on my phone, which sometimes is dangerous. I can be here for absolutely ages. Make sure I set all of my alarms, check any emails that I've had throughout the day. And that is pretty much it. That is my evening routine. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your evening routine looks like. If you aren't already subscribed to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel, then you can subscribe down below. And make sure you hit the bell so that you are notified every time that they upload. That is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I really hope that you did enjoy it.
Tomorrow